A storm is brewing over Zimbabwe's proposed constitutional amendment bill, with the political analyst Dr. Mavhengedze issuing a stark yet unsettling warning. Sarabina mashkombranyo ugwachinzi dynasty fears no one will be safe in Zimbabwe power grab. Asa mnapenda mashkombranyo kupangwa na Mbo Truth arikatonga pamusoro pe the situation iri munyika yeZimbabwe panhau iri kutsviridza constitutional amendments. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Mbo Truth anoenderera achiti he claims the controversial bill goes far beyond extending President Emmerson Mnangagwa's time in office, describing it as a sinister move to tighten power around one man. According to Mavhengedze, the reforms would hand the president sweeping authority, including control over judicial appointments and the shaping of electoral boundaries. Critics fear this could pave the way for a political dynasty where even loyalists approved by those in power can contest elections even within ZANU-PF itself. He warns that many may not realize the danger until it is too late, predicting a future where descendants face exile, imprisonment, or worse. If passed, observers say Zimbabwe's remaining democratic safeguards could be wiped out entirely. Doma developments are put panguva ino ari kunzi aiwa these constitutional amendments panguva ino ava in a sinister position. Iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kuuya ichiita bury everyone munyika yeZimbabwe. Hapana munhu anenge ane a right, anenge ane the power to oppose vakomana zvigana vanenge in power. Zvichinzi aiwa panguva ino you might not see its importance kana kuti its impact yema-constitutional amendments until yatova too late. Pina comment section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like pamwe chete on the bell icon.